We celebrate Papa's birthday. Yan, gumawa kaming cake, siomai, spaghetti, toasted bread, at nag-ihaw kami ng pork. After nyan, nagpunta kami ng park. Enjoy ang ating Dino Kids with Papa. Mukhang na-enjoy naman ni Papa ang kanyang birthday celebration today. At ayan, pagod na pagod sa mga bata.
Guys,
Yan, napa-exercise yarn. And this is how we celebrate the birthday celebration of Papa.